Okay, it's October 21st. All last week and this week we've been doing demo. Guys finished up 2 days ago, and I've just doing cleanup. Got the soil stacked down today, just getting all the dust out of the house as much as I can, so Emily can walk through. So let's take a look around. I'll zoom out here. Here's the second floor. Everything is out. All these walls and ceiling joists will be coming out. Got the bathroom, all the stacks out, a bunch of holes in the floor. Looking at this, I don't know if we want to keep this or not. Notice that the roof was probably replaced 3 times at least. Here's probably the old ceiling boards, and then all the brown ones will probably the next time they replace the roof. And then the light brown was probably the next time they replaced the roof. So it's all cleaned out. I got the window back in. This is Brindley and McKenna's room. The stack has been removed on the second floor. And then walking into Addie's old room, all cleaned out. Old bathroom. You can see downstairs into the living room. That's where the leak for the toilet was. Got that stack out. Put some metal over top the holes there on the other side to keep the rain out. And yeah, I think we're done up here. We'll move down to the second floor. Or the first floor, I should say. Got the stairs all swept out. There's the kitchen. These stairs aren't... A lot of old framing. Not really holding much together, this old balloon framing. There's our closet. That's barely... It's just hanging on a little bit. Excuse me. A lot of dust. Alright, first floor's a little bit of a mess because everything kind of fell down. But here we are. You can kind of see out where the porch overhang was. You can see the ledger board these joists are sitting on, and these studs that run all the way up to the top. I'm filling up trash cans. Took 740 pounds of metal to the dump today. And the recycler got about 82 bucks. Alright, I also took this wall down, which will be the new dining room kitchen area. So much bigger, more spacious. It's gonna be nice. You see there's some windows, possibly old windows over there. Got some crazy framing going on here. The studs just nailed in to the joists that are holding up the wall upstairs. So we'll probably have to put a header in there. And yeah, pretty much kept the addition free from damage so far. Let's walk downstairs, take a look. Pretty dusty. Everything falls down through when the floor's out. Slowly emptying this place out. Got all the wire out. Took apart the furnace. Water heaters out, toilets out. Scrapped most of this stuff. Got a lot of copper left to take. There's where the old stack was over there. A little bit more metal to take. As you can see, I should have protected my tools a little bit better, but I'll get to it, clean it up. And let's go take a look outside. All right, we're outside, and I was able to put the patio mostly back together. Got the cap for the stairs and everything glued back on. It's very time intensive. So all for that little square. Just cut around there. And that little square over there. And I got the pavers back on so we can actually walk on this if we need to during construction. Doesn't really fit like it did before, so I'll have to go back and recut all those. But I think it looks pretty decent. The posts will go right there for our extension overhanging the patio. And the framer said they should be here next week, hopefully. got the foundation fixed, and she's ready to go. We'll be hitting it up next week. I got to start ordering the lumber for the house now. So I'll see you next time. Bye.